Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south from Rody Park Estate towards Lluidas Vale, St. Catherine Parish. We are driving on the Rody Park to Bamboo Road. The Rody Park to Bamboo Road continues left, and that road will take you to Point Hill, Brownstown, Guanaboa, Bamboo, Kitson Town, and the other places. We are now driving on Lluidas Vale Main Road. Entering Lluidas Vale. The sign on the right reads, "Welcome to Lluidas Vale," and also to the right is Factory Road, which will take you to the Rody Park Sugar Factory, as well as to Factory Sinks, which is registered as a cave. On the right is St. Peter's Anglican Church, and the upcoming road on the left is Union Road, which will take you to Pleasant Hill, Juan de Bolas, Kentis, and other places. On the left is Lluidas Vale Park, and on the right is Shady Grove Police Station, same as Lluidas Vale Police Station. On the left is Lluidas Vale Market. To the right, you can find Savanna Lane. Also to the right, you can find Savanna Lane and Airstrip Road, which will take you to the Rody Park Airstrip. road on the right will take you to the Lluidas Vale Primary School, formerly Lluidas Vale All-Age School. On the left is House of Praise Kindergarten and Learning Center. Also on the left is Donna Hill Road, Big Barnes Road, where you can find Big Barnes Pen, and a few meters in is Small Barnes Road, where you can find Small Barnes Pen. On the left is Lluidas Vale Baptist Church and Lluidas Vale Basic School. On the left is Lluidas Vale Seventh-day Adventist Church. On the left is Lluidas Vale Cemetery. On the left is Lluidas Vale Playfield. A few meters to the left, you can find Lluidas Sinkhole. On the left is Phycos Avenue, and that road will take you to the Art Trust NTA Lluidas Vale Professional Training Center. On the left is the other end of Phycos Avenue. On the left is Rabbit Lane. Entering Orange Valley. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.